guys, welcome to Country Hunters TV Talk Show. I'm here with Tagaytay Special Production. Tagaytay. Here's some views of Tagaytay. I love you, Tagaytay.
Yeah!
And you're the guest, Freud Warriors. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And here are the co-hosts, me and Mr. Jibina. So, Freud Warriors, how's your game last
Very
school?
crucial game.
Very cool, man. Very crucial game.
What is the score again?
59-56.
59,
Only 3 points. We win.
56.
Only 3 points.
Only 3
Because
points.
of
His free throw, man.
because
Oh.
of his free throw.
He's the
Only
savior
win.
of the game. He's the savior of the game.
Is
Are
he
you-
the star player?
Yes.
Player of the game.
So we're gonna enjoy our vacation today. Do you want to go fishing?
Later.
Later.
Okay, guys, we're gonna enjoy our show, but we'll be watching you after the commercial break.
Ano na?
Pindot na.